Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna take you to have a look around in the continuous cutting line warehouse. We're gonna cut 3 blocks at the same time on these 3 fully automatic lines. As you can see, we are putting 3 blocks in vertical way on the line. It's gonna fit into the continuous cutting line one by one. This whole line, they've got 3 lines here. A complete cutting line can process 6 blocks maximum at the same time. And the time to cut a block from the beginning to the end, it takes around 20 minutes, which means you will be able to process 6 blocks in 20 minutes. Now the first block is gonna be fed into the line. We can walk through this way. Let's stand closer. These 2 cylinders are for alignment, to make sure this block is putting on the lines straight. And now slowly it's going to the first stage, horizontal cutting. Now the block is aligned. It's on a straight line perfectly. Now it's going to the first stage, horizontal cutting. This is a control panel. Okay, this horizontal cutting is with automatic wire setting. This is where you set the gap, the thickness that you want cut from the block. As we can see now, the height of the block is 1.24 meters. And we are putting 19 millimeter as a thickness of each panel, and we are cutting 12 panels from one block. So it's automatic wire setting. Now we are cutting 12 panels. Okay, this line is equipped with bottom crusher. The offcuts will be recycled from the bottom crusher. The offcuts will drop down to the belt at the bottom. It will all the way go to the bottom crusher. Now the block is going through the second stage, vertical cutting. Now the block is getting into the third stage, cross cutting. As you can see, there are several cylinders at the top. When the blocks get to the position, the cylinder will be pressed down to fix the position of the block. As you can see now, the offcuts now are fading into the bottom crusher. It will be crushed and recycled, sent to the recycling system. At the same time, this whole frame is lifting up to do the cross cutting. Okay, cross cutting is done. Now we are going to the next stage. From here, we're getting into a stacking system. The whole block, 12 panels, will be separated to 2 parts for easy packing in the next stage. We are lifting 6 panels up. We're moving this rest 6 panels to the next stage, the packing section. It's a wrap packing. This is the last stage, staking system. We're gonna stake these two blocks, two panels together. We're using two clamps to hold it, to hold this block. I'm waiting for the next second half. Okay, this staking system, we will be able to put 5 blocks like this. Each one is it's 100 millimeter of each panel. It's 6 panels, so this is 600 millimeters. Then we will be able to put 5 blocks like this. So in total, we can stake it up to 3 meters high.